In my experience, projects that go well, that stick to budget, stick to time, typically are projects where there are very few changes. How do you make few changes? Well, basically you've done all of your planning beforehand. So, as a client, spend as much time as you possibly can researching what it is that you want. If you want a particular type of waterproofing system, a lining system, all of those things that are important to the building consent, you need to be having those discussions with your designer before it goes in for a building consent. To go, hey look, I've checked it out, it is compliant with the building code, I like the product, I might like something about its sustainability, for example. I don't think anyone ever regrets spending time getting their plans right.